Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hola opulence, guys. I am so happy to be with you guys today. I got a special unboxing review and an in-depth look for you guys today. But if you're new here, make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for doing that. I appreciate that. Okay, I'm sure you've seen the thumbnail. You know what it's about. It's about luxury. It's about beauty. It's about elegance. Guys, let's get into this wonderful unboxing. But I'm gonna switch the camera angle for you guys to see all the details on this wonderful piece, on this wonderful eyewear, and I'm so excited to get into it. But this is the box. They got the gray box as usual, which is really nice. It's elegant, you know, with the gold DITA in front of it. It's right there. You guys can see that DITA right there in front. All right, and the other detail is just the specification on the side. And you already know we got the tray as well, which is a DITA tray. So I'm going to be switching the camera angle so you guys can see everything, and we'll come back up top so I can show you what it looks like on me. Okay, let's switch the camera, guys. As you can see, I've changed the camera angle for you guys so we can see everything up close and personal. Okay, so we're gonna start with the box. I'm gonna just put the tray right here for a second. Okay, all right, so you see the box is it's a gray box with the gold DITA right there, and as usual there's nothing on the sides. It's just plain. All right, apart from this side right here that says Mach 5. Okay, and I believe that's like the color code and the other details, color details and stuff like that. All right, and it comes in a magnetic box right there. It's magnetic, which is a nice touch. In the box you have what it says there, category of 1, and some other stuff there, and you can, if you want to read that, you can just pause it and you can just read everything. I'm not gonna waste your time with that. Okay, that's how the box looks like when you open the flap, and you can, as you can see right there, that's the eyewear itself in the case it comes with. All right, so I'm gonna take it out of the case for a second, and I'll put this down here in the viewing tray, which is upside down. I'm gonna turn it this way. Okay, so we can see that DITA. And in the box you got the cleaning cloth right there. On it, it says, let me put this right here for a second. On it you can see the DITA right there. Okay, which is really nice. When the light hits it and it kind of shines. All right, and the cleaning cloth is actually a good quality. Okay, so I'll leave that right there. And then what else is in the box? We've got the manual, normal care details, and the specific on the piece itself. Probably have to take care of it and all this kind of stuff. You already know, in different languages. And it says DITA on the front. Okay, so we're gonna put that back in the box, and there's nothing in the box apart from those two things. I'll put this aside for a second. Let me leave this out. We might need it. I'll leave it around the table. I'm gonna close this and put it to the side right there. Okay, let's go into the eyewear itself. as you can see, it is in like a sort of pouch, a black pouch. It's more of like a pleather. It's not really leather, but the quality is quite nice. You know, it's not a bad quality. In front right there, you can see it says DITA right there. Okay, and to open it, you just pull this and pull up and release, and you can just unwrap it. You know, that's quite cool. As you can see the eyewear itself, which we're gonna just take out for a sec and put it in the DITA tray right there. And then the inside is a suede, nice suede. It's not bad at all, you know. Yeah, it's actually good quality. It's a little dust on the side, but you know, that's okay. Yeah, so that's it right there. So yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna clip it back in here and leave it on the side right there. Okay, so let's get down to the nitty gritty, which is the eyewear itself. Okay, so as you can see in all its elegance, beauty and glory right there, that is absolutely stunning, beautiful. All right, I am going to stretch out the temples right here. I'm gonna take off this nylons and throw it to the side. Wow, this is nice. This is really, really nice. So it's got a faded out from the top right here all the way down. It's kind of faded from dark to like light, which is really, really nice. The lenses, faded out lenses, is very, very nice. I really like that. Let's go more into the details. You can see here the wire, the rim has some detailing on the side right there. That is very, very, very nice. Okay, so the temple is gold, and this is a mix of gold and black all the way. By the way, the temple is really nice, shiny, beautiful gold right here. All right, all the way to the temple tips is black, but it's like halfway from the temple to the temple tips, half is black and the rest is gold. So it's more like a matte black, which is really cool as well. Okay, so the inside of the temple right here says Mach 5. That is absolutely beautiful. Titanium. Okay, that says Mach 5 titanium. All right, let me see if I can get it a little closer right there so you guys can see it. This guy's not trying to focus. Okay, there we go. Mach 5 titanium. Okay, and on the nose pad, it is in gold right there, and you have the DITA logo on the nose pad, both nose pads, which is gold as well. All right, and you have on the bridge, it has this nice, beautiful netting right there. Okay, I'm gonna come to the tag in a second. All right, that's what that looks like, and then the tag says DITA right there, and on the back is basically saying if you remove this tag, you cannot return it. But of course, we're not trying to return it. You know, I bought this for a while anyway, so we're gonna be wearing this and keeping it in our collection. So one other thing I would like to mention as well is the lens has some sort of at the end of the lens, if you look at it, it has some sort of fading, like kind of shaving down. I don't know how to explain it, but it gives that like an extra detail right there. If you look at the end, it is so beautiful. Now the bridge, if you look at the net on top of it, it's kind of connecting to both sides of the wire rims, like on this side and on this side, and it has that little gold detailing on the bottom and on the top right there. It is so nice. That is so beautiful right there. Okay. And on the top of the bridge, the net that is connecting the bridge goes all the way to the top right here, and that is in gold, as you can see. That is absolutely beautiful. I really, really like that. Okay. And let's see, on the other side of the temple, I mean, both sides has like the DITA logo right there. On the edges where it kind of connects on the side, it has like the DITA detailing right there. Closer. Oh, there we go. You can see the Mach 5 titanium, and then that's the logo right there, where the hinges it is right there that connects the temple and the frame. Okay. Yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. It is a beautiful eyewear, like no doubt about it, you know. And you know, titaniums, they're really, really hard to work with, you know, and that's how you know this is very, very quality, you know. So I think that is about it. Except on the temple, it has this two little dots in here, which is I think where they screw the temple and the temple tips together right there. All right. And at the temple tip right here, it just shows the number right there. And here it says made in Japan at the end right there. Okay. So let's see what else. I think that's about it. And on the other side of the other temple, it has a DITA written there, which is quite nice. Yep, right there. And the DITA logo in the corner right there as well. On the hinges right there. And the detail is just absolutely stunning. And on the lens itself on the right, it says DITA Mach 5. Of course, this is a DITA Mach 5. All right. That's about it, guys. I just wanted you to see the detail of the piece so you guys can, you know, appreciate it and just enjoy it, you know, like I do. So yes, guys, that is about it. Thank you so much. I am going to switch back up top, and I am going to put it on, and you guys can see how it looks on me. All right, guys, welcome back up top. Now, we've seen all the detail on this wonderful piece. It is about that time to try it on and see how it looks on me. All right, guys, are you ready? Okay, now let's go. 1, 2, 3. Bam. That's how it looks on the right side, the left, face on. All right. So there you have it, guys. You've seen the details on this wonderful, amazing piece. And if you're new here, please make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment in the section below. Guys, tell me what you guys think about this piece, and if you like DITA in general. If you want me to do something different, if you want me to do something new, just let me know. I always reply the comments. You guys have a wonderful day, and all the opulence out.